Hi, Elaine here with WTI. You know when something is really good when you use every single last bit, and you can see I love the middle color the best. This Moonlit Skinny Dip is a compact that I use in different ways, and let me show you how. So the first thing I do is I take the dark color and I fill in my eyebrows. When you get a little older, you need to give that little bit darkness to your eyebrows. Then I use the middle color all over. Then I use the highlight on my lower lid to give it some openness. And I use the dark color above my lids because I have hooded eyes. So if you're looking for a compact that's going to be multiple use and that's going to give you that everyday look, that's going to be your go-to, you want to have this in your makeup case. And that's just my point of view.